TW-039, serving marine interests on southern Lake Michigan, the Illinois and Indiana shores, and the Chicago area. The current time is 3:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Central Cook, DuPage, Lake, Northern Cook, and Southern Cook, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter. What? Southwest winds gusting to 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northern Illinois and northwest Indiana. When? Until 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be hazardous for high-profile vehicles, especially on north-south oriented roadways. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Now here is